Good, because all of you are fine. Now, class monitors, are any absent today? Okay, very good, because no one is absent today. Now, class, before we proceed to our new lesson, let's go back. What was our last topic class meeting? Yes, very good. Our last topic class meeting is all about components of K-12 curriculum. Okay, I'm so happy class because all of you are still remember our last topic last meeting. Now class, I have here an activity. Are you all excited? Okay, in your activity, I will group you into two groups. This will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. All you have to do is to everybody read. Okay, one student from each group will have to pick a phrase, and you will act out of it using only your body and face. No words allowed, and your group will guess what phrase you have picked. Are my instructions clear, class? Okay, this will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. Okay, are you done? Okay, thank you for your cooperations. Now class, what did you observe about our activity? Okay, very good. What feeling did you group guess during the game based on your teammate? Okay. Now, in real life, how does using both words and actions help people understand each other better? Okay, very good because okay, thank you for your cooperation. Now, before we proceed to our new lesson today, we will have a classroom rules. So, everybody read. Lesson example is talking. Raise your hand to speak. Last is follow directions quickly and quietly. Now, in our learning objectives, at the end of the lesson, the pupils are expected to identify the verbal and non-verbal communication, including their examples and how they use in real-life situations. Second, appreciate the importance of both verbal and non-verbal communication and demonstrate the ability to use verbal and non-verbal communication effectively in different scenarios. Now class, I have another activity. So, your activity is in the same group. Let's at least 3 emotions with corresponding scenario. Okay class, are my instructions clear? Okay, very good. Okay. Thank you for your participation.
Okay, those activities that we do earlier, it has a connection to our discussion this morning. Is a verbal and non-verbal communication. So class, do you have any idea about non-verbal and verbal communication? Okay, thank you. So, means verbal communication, everybody read? Okay, thank you. Is the transition process Because facial expression is a smile from our grannies can convey a lot about a person's mood. So facial expression class is like this. So that's a facial expression. Eye contact. Eye contact is a common form of non-verbal communication. So just like in the Filipino term, you know, we always action like this in our eyes, like this. So that's the example of a non-verbal communication. Next is posture. The way you say or stand to convey confidence or nervousness. So class, as a Filipino, so we can sit or we can stand so that we can comfortable in the place. No? So always remember class, facial expression, eye contact, or posture is the example of non-verbal communication without using any words to speak, but for the facial expression or through touching. Okay? So do you understand what is non-verbal communication? Okay, very good. Now, do you have any question, clarification about non-verbal communication? Okay, class. When we say hello, is it non-verbal or verbal communication? Okay, very good. It is a verbal communication. Very good. And next is when I make like this in my face, is it verbal or non-verbal communication? Yes, it is a non-verbal communication because I do not speak any words. It is only a facial expression. Now class, if you don't have any question about our topic today, I will be the one to ask you a question. So what is non-verbal and what is a non-verbal communication? Okay, very good. It is a way to send a message without using any words. So very good, Alan. So that's correct. Non-verbal communication includes all the ways to communicate without speaking or writing any words. So can you give me an example of non-verbal communication? Okay, very good. Facial expression, touch, posture. That's the example of non-verbal communication. Excellent. Non-verbal communication can convey message without any words. So now class, it seems that you already understand our discussion today. Now let's have another activity. This activity is called role play. And please read the direction. Okay, you perform the scenario together, ensuring you use words and body language like gestures, facial expressions, and postures to enhance your message. Everyone in your group should be participating. So, I will provide a scenario. So, group 1, this is your scenario. This is your scenario. And group 2, this is your scenario. Now, you will start your activity. Did you enjoy our activity now, class? Okay, thank you for cooperating. So, do you have any question about our discussion? Okay, if there's not, I will be the one to ask you a question. by using to push your eyes to eye contact. So, by using to show respect in a conversation, so it is already understandable as a Filipino that using body language is we can already understand what they mean. Okay, so that's the example of non-verbal communication. Next is, why do you think listening is an important part of communication? Okay, very good. Listening helps you to understand other person's feelings and thoughts. Okay, that's very good. Now,